We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations have been discontinued during this emergency. This is KDVT. This station will continue furnishing news and instructions for the Fort Worth area. If you are not in the Fort Worth area, you should tune to a station providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the broadcast station or cable system in your local area. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for the public in assigned areas. This is KDVT, and we will continue to serve the Fort Worth area. If you are not in this local area, you should turn to the broadcast station or cable systems providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Fort Worth area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. An unusual phenomenon is occurring across the United States, and along with the rest of the world. This is due to every human and animals turning into shape number 2 made out of stone. Catastrophic damage has occurred across major cities across the nation, and along with the rest of the planet. The president is among those who have been turned into stone, but was able to give out a message through the primary entry point system using the National Weather Service's console replacement system before his demise. Please listen carefully to this statement.
My fellow Americans, an unusual phenomenon is currently taking place within our nation, along with the rest of the world. Numerous reports of humans and animals turning into the shape of the number 2, made out of stone, have been received across the entire world. There is a very high chance that this could lead to the extinction of every human and animal in our world. It has been confirmed that this event will not be prevented, and that we will not survive this apocalyptic event. Our time on this beautiful planet has become drastically limited. To everyone who is listening to this message, if you're still alive, tell your family and friends and loved ones how much you love them. Gather with those around you and embrace them as your demise approaches. Pray to your higher being or beings if you are a person of religion, and repent. I will sign off with you all for the final time with a verse from the Bible. Psalm 23, 1-6. The Lord is my shepherd. I have what I need. He makes me lie down in the greenest of pastures. He leads me beside the quietest of waters. He renews me of my life. He leads me up on the right path for his own name's sake. Even though I shall walk through the darkest of valleys, I shall fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Only goodness and faithful love will pursue all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord as long as I live. On behalf of myself, your government thanks you for living the American dream. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America.
This station will sign off for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.